Hi everybody, I know it's been a long time, but I am ready to cook. Today we're going to make some dirt pudding. Let's get started. We're going to crush up some Oreos. If you have a box of Oreos with 3 rows, you'd need 2 for this recipe. And this is sure taking a while. Because I am making this for 2 families, I'm just going to put it in 2 bowls. You only have to do it in one. Okay, so next we're going to mix 1/2 cup of butter and cream cheese into this bowl. But we already have the cream cheese. My mom did it. That's the first who's taking this video because it's really hard to do. Whoa. We're gonna blend those two together. Once it's smooth, you cut it. You're ready to add the powdered sugar. Oops, I spilled a little bit. And make sure you don't turn it up to 10 quickly, because then it'll get flying everywhere. It's sort of like scooping out whipped cream out of its can. Though I never really did it before. Feels like I'm scooping out whipped cream. We got 2 containers of whip topping in there, and now we're gonna blend it together just a little bit, not too much. Okay, once you're done, you are going to mix 2 big boxes of pudding mixture into the bowl. Then once you're done with that, you're gonna add in 4 cups of milk. I spilled a lot even over my recipe, but then you're gonna leave it mixing for a while. Our pudding mixture is all ready to put in our other mixture. So we are going to pour the 2 mixtures together. We're gonna stir it up a little, and then we're gonna pour it out. Okay, now we got all of it out, and we're gonna mix it up. This is sort of sticky, so it would take a while. And try not to get it on yourself, because I just did. Okay, so we got that all mixed up, and now because this is like as big as these 2 bowls, it's gonna be a little bit hard, but I think I got it. This pudding does not want to work with me today. Okay, so now we got it both in. Every bowl you could decorate until the next day or right before. So if you're doing it for Easter, like we are, you could decorate it with peeps for Valentine's Day, maybe hearts. For Christmas, maybe like Christmas trees or a manger. But anyway, I had so much fun baking today, and I can't wait to do it next time. Bye. But right before we leave, I forgot, I'm gonna taste test. Don't try this recipe without taste testing. It's really good. Hi everybody, we just sprinkled the Oreo on top of the dirt pudding, and now we're ready to decorate it. For one, if you're having Easter, what we're having, you could put peeps on a toothpick and stick them around the dirt. And make sure they're steady. So you just put them in. And then we have edible grass that we're just gonna stick in up. Now we're all done with the grass seed. So we do have a different kind of chip peeps that you could just lay flat because it's flat on the bottom. Don't really need any grass seed. Oops, grass seed fell off. We also have edible rocks that you can put around the mint over the pudding. So we'll be okay. Oh, I dropped that one and it landed perfectly. Oh. Now that is funny. And now we have sprinkles that we're gonna just sprinkle all over. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to bake with you next time. Bye.